Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta Sport. Stock reference number 4623. This shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a M1JE 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. M1JE 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front. We have the right-hand fog light, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre with the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear boot, bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. The right-hand tail light, right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, digital type heater controls, Sony single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.